Hello students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School. Today in this video, I am going to explain third chapter Deep Water of class 12th English. In this video, you will get the NCERT text, the meanings of difficult word and the explanation of the text. I will also tell you some fact about the author. Actually, the chapter is written by William Douglas. So first, I will start the video telling you about the writer. Here, yes, about author if we talk, it is written by William Orville Douglas. He was born in 1898 and died in 1980. He was born in USA. If we talk about Douglas, Douglas was a leading advocate of individual rights. Here, individual right means human rights. We call human rights. He was a judge at the Supreme Court of USA and he retired in 1975 with a term lasting 36 years and remains the longest serving justice in the history of the court. This lesson is taken from his autobiography of Men and Mountains. Dear students, I have told you about the author of this chapter. Now, let us see the first passage of the chapter. Here it is given. Before explaining the chapter, I would like to tell you this that in this chapter, the author tells us that how did he overcome of fear. Actually, he had fear of water. What was the reason of his fear? We will come to know after reading the chapter, and how did he overcome it, we will also come to know. So let us start the chapter. First, I will read the text, I will explain the text, I will tell you the meaning of difficult word and the explanation or simplified text of the passage. So first we will start from the first passage. It is given here. Here we will read what author tells us. It had happened when I was 10 or 11 years old. That means author is telling us about an incident. He tells us that the incident took place when he was 10 or 11 years old. What he tells? He tells us when he was 11 or 10-year old, I had decided to learn to swim. That means he had decided to learn swim. Again, I would like to tell you that when the author was 10 or 11-year old, he decided to learn to swim. There was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity. YMCA, if we talk about YMCA, this means Young Men's Christians Association. YMCA, the name of the pool and the full form of it, Young Men's Christian Association. So the author decided to learn swimming and he tells us that there was a pool at the YMCA in Yakima that offered exactly the opportunity. Yakima here the name of the place. So we can say authors tell us about a pool YMCA and it was in Yakima which offered exactly the opportunity. Opportunity means that means get the opportunity to learn to swim. The Yakima River was treacherous. Here, the author tells us that Yakima River was treacherous. Treacherous means dangerous. We can say here treacherous means dangerous. Dangerous. So, if we talk about the word meaning, we can say YMCA means Young Men's Christian Association. Yakima means a place in Washington in USA, and treacherous means dangerous. Okay, dear students, now let us see the explanation of this passage. If we talk about the explanation of this passage, we can say the writer narrates his experience or the author narrates his experience. He was 10 or 11-year old when he had joined the YMCA swimming pool for what? To learn swimming. He did not go to Yakima River to swim. Why? As it was considered dangerous. Dear students, you are to keep in your mind the narrator joined a swimming pool to learn swimming. He did not go to the Yakima River to swim, and the reason behind it was that the river was considered dangerous. This shows that he had a prior fear of water. Author had a prior fear of water. Let us see the next passage of our book. Here it is given. Mother continuously warned against it and kept fresh in my mind the details of its drowning in the river. But the YMCA pool was safe. Here author is telling us that his mother always warned him against Yakima River and he kept fresh in his mind. Kept fresh means reminded. He reminded him the details of each drawing in the river or the casualty which happened in the river. But the YMCA pool was safe. Here author tells us that he decided to learn swimming and he had joined YMCA pool. Here he is telling us that YMCA pool was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other. The drop was gradual. Here in these lines, the author is describing the pool. He tells us that pool was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end. Dear students, you know about the pool, swimming pool. You have seen the swimming pool that in swimming pool we can see a gradual drop. One end is shallow and the other end is deep. So here author is telling us the shallow end of the pool was 2 or 3 feet deep, but the other end was 9 feet deep, and there was a gradually slope in it. As you know, pool have a has assumed. Next, I got a pair of water wings and went to the pool. I had to walk naked into it and show my skinny legs, but I subdued my pride and did it. Here, the author tells us that he got a pair of water wings and then he went into the pool. Actually, he hated to walk naked, but for his desire to learn swimming, he subdued, that means overcame, of his pride and did it. That means he went naked. Naked means here wearing the swimming suit. He went into the pool. Now, if we talk about the word meaning, here the word drop. Drop means slope from the shallow area to the deep area. The next word, water wings. A pair of inflatable waterproof bags designed so that one can be attached to each arm, especially of a child learning to swim. And the next word is skinny. You know, skinny means thin. Subdued means to overcome. And pride means self-respect. If we talk about the word meaning, the word meanings are given here from the passage. Now, if we talk about the explanation of the passage, see here, William's mother would warn him not to go near the Yakima River and would discuss that various incident of drowning. He felt that pool at YMCA was safer. The shallow area of the pool was only 2 or 3 feet deep, as I have told to you, while the deep area was 9 feet in depth. So, dear students, you are to keep in mind the description of YMCA pool. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at shallow area, and on the other side it was 9 feet depth. The slope from the shallow area to the deep area was not steep. He also got a pair of water wings to prevent drowning. Water wings, I have already told you the meaning. He did not like to wear the swimming costumes which exposed his thin legs. But as he was keen to swim, he had a strong desire to learn swimming. He gave up his self-respect and wore swimming costume. Dear students, I hope you have understood the explanation of this passage. Now let us take the next passage of the book. Here it is. From the beginning, however, I had an aversion to the water when I was in it. Aversion means dislike. Here it is given already. Aversion, that means dislike. So the author tells us that from the beginning he had an aversion to the water when he was in it. Thus started when I was 3 or 4 years old and father took me to the beach in the California. Here, dear students, here author is telling us why did he had fear of water. Actually, an incident took place when he was 3 or 4 years old. His father took him to the beach of California. And what happened there? Let us read. He and I stood together in the surf. Here he is for narrator's father and I is for the narrator, for the author. That means his father and author himself stood together in the surf, in the water. I hung on to him, yet, yet the waves knocked me down and swept over me. I was buried in water and my breath was gone. I was frightened. Here, narrator is telling us that he went to beach in California with his father. He and his father stood together in the surf. That means wave of the sea. Surf means wave of the sea. A horse or big when he hugged on him or his father, yet the waves knocked him down and swept over him. He was buried under water and his breath was gone. So he was frightened. Although other tells us father laughed, but there was terror in my heart at the overpowering force of the waves. His father laughed at them, but he created a fear of water in his heart. If we talk about the word meaning, again we can say aversion means dislike. Surf, wave of the sea, knocked me down, threw him down, threw Arthur down. Let us see the explanation of this. William says that he had always disliked water and recounts an old experience when he was 3 or 4 years old. He went to the beach in California with his father. They stood as a wave leapt toward them. William stuck to his father to save himself. He holded his father, but the strong wave threw him down and he was covered in water. Dear students, you are to keep these facts in mind that he was covered in water. He was scared, as you can see, he was 3 or 4 year old child. Definitely, he was scared. So he was scared as he could not breathe. His father laughed and tried to make him feel comfortable, but the little child was scared when he realized that the waves were so powerful. Dear students, we can understand at that time the author was 3 or 4 year old. So when he faced the waves, he frightened and he realized that the waves were so powerful. Now let us see I have explained 6 paragraphs of the passage. The remaining paragraph you will get in next video when there will be next video. Thank you.